Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone and welcome to Oliveboard. I hope I'm audible and visible. So without any further delay, let's start with our session for the last time for this year. So that is IB ACIO live mock analysis for the prelims, right? So this is the last week of ACIO analysis because 16th से सर exam है. Exam is starting from this month 16th, right? So definitely this will be the last week that we'll be doing this for this year. First question. First of all, I would like to ask each and every one of you guys, how was the mock? How was the mock? The mock was good, you guys. So I felt the mock was pretty easy, pretty standard. Few questions were a little lengthy, as the case will be in the real exam, in the IB real exam as well. And most of the questions were very easily doable, not very lengthy as well, right? With that being said, chalo, first question, let us see the solutions. Rohan invested this much, Tanya invested this much after X month. Achha, sir. 3 zeros we can cancel right away, right? Achha. 25 Rohan invested, so Rohan and Tanya. So we'll get the PSR, profit sharing ratio. So 25 rupees and 35 rupees. Now, uh, beginning of the venture, after X months, Rohan added this. So Rohan's, this money, this 25 rupees was there for X months, and added 15, meaning now the capital becomes 40, 25 plus 15. Now that was there, I don't know for how many months, but again, the business was of 1 year, meaning 12 months. So this money I can now conclude was there for 12 minus X months. And nothing is said about Tanya. That means Tanya's money was there for these many months. Correct? So calculate. Now they are saying profits are equal. That means this ratio, this is equal to equal profit means 1:1. Or you can say both of these are equal to each other. Both of this is directly you can say this is equal to this. So from there I can figure out the value of X. Sir, calculate kar lete. 5, 5 8s, 5 7s, right? So 5x and this is 8x. So I'm just directly writing minus 3x plus 96 equal to 84, sir. So this will go that side, it will become minus 12, it is minus 3x. So x is 4, sir. X, the value of x will be option number C, which is 4. Option number C, which is 4, is definitely your correct answer. Very simple question to start off. Chalo, next one. Acha. This looks like a big question. Acha, 3 students, let's see. A, B, and C are creating a large number by adding digits one by one, following a specific pattern. Okay. Each day, only one student contributes a single digit to the number being formed. On day 1, A adds digit 1. Okay. On day 2, B adds digit 2. On day 3, C adds the digit 3. And the cycle repeats. A adds 1 again. So again, A, B, C, the alternate concept of time and work, right? So A, then B, then C, then again A, then again B, then again C, then again A, then again B, then again C, and it will continue. This process continues daily, forming a number digit by digit to the exact order of the digits till the digit in the exact order of the digits are added. For example, after 6 days, the number formed will be 1 2 3 1 2 3. Acha, if they are adding 1 2 3 1 2 3 ऐसे करके. Acha, how many days will be after how many days will the number be divisible? Acha, sir. It's a very like innovative way of asking you a very simple question. And this is a special case. If you guys have followed my batches in number series, I have mentioned this multiple times, like starting from foundation. Ki sir, 7, 11, 13, this is a very special case. The number, if you multiply, because all these three numbers are prime numbers. You multiply because LCM will be multiplication only, because prime numbers all three. It will be 1001. And any 6-digit number, remember sir, any 6-digit number where the numbers are repeating, meaning 1 2 3 Again 1, 2, 3. It is always divisible by 1001. Any 6-digit number in this format, 2, 3, 4, then again 2, 3, 4, divisible by this. You can check. You can always check. Right? This is always what happens. So that means ultimately my answer, meaning the number, if it is divisible by this, meaning my answer, what is the number of days? It has to be either 6 days, it has to be 6 twos are 12 days, it has to be 18 days, 24 days, and so on, sir. Multiples of 6, because I need 6 digits, 3 digits, then again repetition of 3 digits. Check the options. 20, not a divisible, not a multiple of 6. 28, not. 12, I can see. 32 is also not. So definitely 12 will be my answer. I don't need to do anything for this. Correct, sir. But again, you needed this information, this knowledge in order to solve this. Again, this question has also been asked in CGL, CHSL as well previously. This is not something unique. This concept has already been asked in CGL examination, CHSL examination as well. Now, percentage of J is this. Sir, ratio, if you see, try to use the shortcut. I told you in age questions, that's the best approach always. If that doesn't work, then we'll see anything else. Acha, what they are asking, find the sum of percentages of J and K. So J and K, the sum has to be a ratio of, or has to be a multiple of what? 13 plus 8. That is 21. But again, this is not. After 9 years, this is the ratio. But they are asking percentage. So present age is 50. So after 9 years, their age will be, for J, the age will increase by 9. For K will increase by 9. So total increment will be plus 18. This will be, sir, plus 18, plus 18, plus 18. Now these values has to be multiples of 21. Sir, just check. Just check this. 68, is it a multiple of 21? The answer is no. Cannot be. Next one, 45 plus 20 is 65, 63. Is it a multiple of 21? Yes. Most probably this is my answer. Still एक बार check कर लेते. 96 minus 2, 94. Not a multiple of 21. Then again, sir, 34, 54 minus 2, 52. Again, sir, not a multiple of this. Sir, khatam, that's my answer, option number B. You see, I have not done the question. I have not done the question, sir. Just by looking at the options, I can answer. And that is always, whenever you see age-related questions, this should be your first target. Always. This should always be your first target. Perfect. Perfect, everyone. Achha, just give me a second. I'm sweating so much. Under the air conditioner also, I'm sweating so much. Chalo, chalo, chalo. A cone and a cylinder. Sir, height ratio given, base radius ratio given. Sir, you can go with the formula, the basic, and if you have done my classes of foundation, you'll say ये तो direct हो जाता है. But again, chalo, I don't expect everyone to know all those, so let's do it basic way. Sir, ratio of their volumes. So volume formula, cone, sir, first cone is 1/3 pi into r square into h, and this is pi into r square into h. In case of cone, that a 1/3 is not there. Sir, pi cancels. Put this 3 to this side. Sir, r square in this. Sir, please understand this r and this r. Sir, this, this h is there. So this h, height ratio is 3 and 2. So I'm just putting 3 here, and this height I'm putting 2. Now ratios are of their base 4. So r square will be 4 square, that is 16. And this is a 3 square, that is 9. Just calculate, say 2 8s, and this is 3. So my answer comes out to be this is also another this na. Acha, एक second, I should not do this. So this will be 8, and 3 into 3 is a 9. So answer to your question should be 8 ratio 9, which is option number C. Which is your option number C, sir. Very, very, very simple. Right? चलो, फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द पेपर लुक्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल. वो देखो, बताते बताते एक बड़ा क्वेश्चन आ गया. I just said this statement and now we got a lengthy question. Chalo, these questions in 2024 we have seen many of these type of questions. Okay, so it's very imperative that you practice a few. These are not difficult. These questions, this type is not difficult, but again these are very lengthy questions. You will take 1.5 minutes almost to solve, because you have to check both the statements and the values. You see what is given. So they will give you some like very confusing terms in terms of x, y, z, w, whatever, and they will give you the values in form of two statements. You have to check using whether the statements are correct or not. Chalo. Sir, two numbers u and v. So first statement I'm checking. U and v is 4 ratio 7. Okay. Acha. Percentage is there na. So ek kaam karo sir. Let's take these numbers 400 and 700. Okay. Achha. Now, sum of W percent of number A. This number 43%, because W is 43. You see, I'm going like this. U, V, this W is 43. So 43% of this, 43 into 4, 160, 172, sir. Okay. Plus X percent of number B. X is what, sir? X is 60. This is 420. The sum of these two, it is how much, sir? 42 and 17. This is 2, 7 to 9, 4 answer 592. This is given. Achha. And this is y, sir. This is y. Y is given. Y is not given. Ek second. Y is not given. Acha, sorry. In that case, chalo. So y is 148. Na, acha, this I have assumed. This I have assumed. So 492 units, because this is not something I could have assumed XY as well. So 592 units is given as 148. So 1 unit value is 148. It is 4 times, sir. So 1 by 4, like this is 1 unit is equal to 1 by 4. That I have found, because Y is 148. Now they are asking the average of A plus B plus C together is Z. Average of A plus B plus C together is 124. So total is A plus B plus C. It is 124 into 3. Because total, that is 360 and sir 12. That is a 372. 372. Right? This is total, sir. This is given as sum of A plus B plus C. Now again you see, A I know, A is this, B is this. But again, these are all, these I have taken. These are not values. And this is the value. Acha, don't get confused. If you are someone who is getting confused, in that case, you can take something like this. P nahi hai na. So I'm taking this. If you are getting confused or thinking, sir, I'm not really understanding this, take this P. So in that case, you don't need to take units P. So 592 P is this. So P ka value is, sir, 1 by 4. SHL. That way you will be much safer. And second way, you can do it directly. You get the idea from there and you can do it directly. Now, A plus B plus C is given as 372. Now, sir, A plus B is how much, sir? A plus B is 700 and 400. That means 1100 P. 1100 P, sir. Now, P is 1 by 4. P is 1 by 4. So that means this P, so A plus B value will be, sir, P ke jagah I can put 1100 into 1 by 4. So you just calculate. So 1100 into, acha, so I'm just doing the calculation, sir. This is 550 by 2. 1100 by 2 is 550. Again, 2 by 2. So 500 by 2, 550 by 2 is 275. So then how much will be C? Because they are asking C. A plus B plus C is this. A plus B is this. So C I can write 372 minus 275, which I'm getting 97. which they are saying where the number C is the largest two-digit prime number. Yes, sir, 97 is the largest two-digit prime number. It is definitely the largest two-digit prime number. So that means statement 1 is absolutely correct. It is absolutely correct. Now, once I got this, you see what you need to do now. So first statement I got correct. ये correct था. So similarly, I just need to check for the second one. Second one में क्या होगा now? एक देखो थोड़ा जल्दी कर लेते हैं. So if you still want to go by P, so this is 900 P, this is 1000 P. ठीक है? Now W% of this, meaning 50% of this, that is 450 P, plus 40% of this, that is 400 P, that is 850 P, that is equal to Y. Y is 170, sir. So P is 1 by 5. 17 5s are 85. Done. Now they are saying average is 159. So A plus B plus C will be what? Into 3, 160 into 3, 180. Sorry, 160 into 3, 480. 480 se 3 like less. So 477. This is the sum of 3. And A plus B is how much, sir? A plus B is 1900. So A plus B will be 1900 into P ke jagah 1 by 5. So 90, this is 3 and 380, sir. So C will be, sir, 477 minus 380. Again, we are getting 97. That is also, again, I can say that is the largest two-digit prime number. Meaning, sir, statement 2 also holds. So meaning my answer will be option B. Both the statements are definitely feasible. तो देखो ये थोड़ा lengthy question था. I told you कि this was a lengthy question. Now again, what will be the exam strategy? Exam strategy is always to avoid this question in the first place. First attempt में, which are like again just after this session at 6:15, I'll take another session regarding CGL. But again, the strategy for IB will also be the same. कि these questions are not to be like attempted in the beginning of any paper. करना नहीं होता है. Okay, so I will actually discuss from 6:15. I have taken a slot. Sir, what will be the difference between upstream distance and downstream distance traveled? Acha, sir. Sir, upstream, if you see this difference wala part, na, understand always. So downstream speed is always x plus y. Upstream distance is always x minus y. Sir, if you take the subtraction, it gives you what? It gives you what? Sir, y, right? Y is d minus u by 2 now always. This is what? So ultimately, you see, please understand. So difference between downstream and upstream speed, it is nothing but twice of the speed of the stream. Na? Conceptually, you do. You see, this you should already know. This you should already know. The difference between downstream speed and upstream speed of a boat is always twice of the speed of the stream, and this is how the concept comes. Now they are saying, you know x, you know y. I don't actually need it. So difference d minus u value, because y is 4. Sir, it is 8 na? 8 kilometer per hour. Right? They are asking what is the difference between distance traveled in 2 hours, sir? So the answer will be into 2. So that will be 16 kilometers. So which is option number D, sir. If you know this, you should be able to solve this in 10 seconds. जिसको पता है सर वो बोलेगा सर 4 का double 8, 8 का double 2 hours means 8 into 2 16. You don't need pen paper for this, right? Moving on, sir. Moving on. A certain amount of money at simple interest grows 4,000 in 4 years, 6,000 in 8 years. 6 years mein, sir. Sir, I told you again another one thing. Sir, it's an amount, some amount, some amount. Correct? Correct, sir. I told you one simple thing. If we are talking about SI, simple interest, if we are talking about simple interest, sir, and these years are same, T years and gap is same as well. Simple interest में this thing follows AP. And if we are talking about compound interest, this thing follows GP. This is the whole mathematical concept, sir. Rakshit, which part, brother? Which one? This question, brother? This question, or the last one? You tell me, I'll repeat. Definitely repeat. ठीक है, just let me complete this first. So the concept is SI में it is always in AP, CI में it is always in GP. Again, why that happens, I also explained, right? So 4,000 in 4 years, 6,000 in 8 years. Understand? Think like this. So this is your principal. After 4 years, it has become 4,000. It has become 8,000. So let's say I'm taking another slope, like slab here. So this will also, so again 2 years करके. So this will also be in AP. So middle वाला क्या बन जाएगा सर? 6,000 बन जाएगा. You don't need to calculate. अच्छा एक सेकेंड सिर्फ 6 years का बताया है ना. एक सेकेंड रुक जाओ. सिर्फ 6 years का बताया है ना. अरे रुको. इंटरेस्ट का. नो, बोथ आर अमाउंट्स 4 and अच्छा उसका 8. Sir, there is a small issue. रुक जाओ sir. No, you cannot apply that concept. You cannot apply that concept here. You cannot apply that concept here. देखो गड़बड़ हो गया था. Because 6,000 is given. अच्छा नहीं, we can apply ना. हाँ बिल्कुल अप्लाई. अरे यार नहीं, we can apply. अरे we can apply. नहीं, it is given 8. It is 8 from the start only ना. तो gap 4 years का ही है. 4 years का ही gap है sir. So I'm taking this thing, another slab in between, right? So this is 4,000 and this is 6,000, correct? So if I take another slab, so this part again, these are all in AP, sir, right? So, but what will happen, sir? This common difference will be in half. It will half. So this common difference, which was 2,000 rupees, it will come distribute equally. So this will be 1,000 and this will be 1,000, sir. So if you add 1,000 to this, it will become 5,000, or if you subtract 1,000 from it, it will become 5,000. So whatever you do, 4 years after 2 years, meaning 6 years, it will become 5,000, sir, which is there in option number D. Which is there in option number D. Which is there in option number D, sir. Okay. Perfect, everyone. Simple question. This is, again, if this was in CI may always remember it is in GP. In case of CI, you have to go for GP, or if you're not from non-science background, you can like think it as continued proportion. You can think like this, कि ये continued proportion में रहेगा. This is more like kind of famous. ये थोड़ा, because it's very simple. SI कम आता है sir. Okay. Option number D is the answer. Option D is the answer. And Rakshit, please, brother, tell me which one. I will definitely help you. Please tell me which one. This question or the previous, or like previous to any question. Just tell me the question number. Acha, selling a watch for 1,500, profit of 50%. Acha, selling price 60. अरे sir. Sir, modular method एक line में आ जाएगा. CP take 100 rupees. So if 50% profit I want, my SP will be, sir, 150. Think like this. And if I want 60% profit, in that case, my SP will be 160. Now, 1,500 is the only value I know. This represents what? This represents selling price when there was a 50% profit. Meaning this represents this SP. Put it down. And I need what? Whatever I need to find, I'll put it in the numerator. I need to find the value of this. I need this, right? SP when there is a 60% profit. So that is 160. Sir, ये हो गया sir 10. So my answer will be 1,600. This was a too easy of a question. This was too easy of a question. Option number A is the correct answer. Perfect. Babri. assertion reasoning with a big, चलो देखते हैं सर, पढ़ो, पढ़ते आ जाओ. A construction company, a construction company was tasked with completing a project in 40 days. Okay. Initially, 30 workers were assigned to the task. These workers would complete the project on time, working 8 hours per day. However, due to delay in material supply, work could only start on 6th day, losing 5 days. अच्छा, पहला 5 दिन काम नहीं हुआ because there was no material supply. To make up for the lost time, the company decided to increase the number of workers from the 6th day onward and working hours by 9 hours per day. So that the worker could still be able to complete by the original deadline. Perfect. All the workers said these are to be on the safe side. ठीक है? Normal. These things already we know. Now, sir, what is the total work? 30 workers. They are taking 40 days into, sir, 8 hours per day. 8 hours. So this is the total work, sir. Perfect. Now what happened? Now due 5 days we lost. So now, but again the project needs to be completed by the original deadline. So meaning I have to complete this total work 30 into 40 into 8 by the help of what? By 35 days, and now the workers are working 9 hours a day. How many workers? I don't know. So number of workers I can figure out by dividing the total work by this is the efficiency of every day of one worker. So how many workers? Divide kar do. Right? Now assertion is saying like how many workers? Acha. At least 38 workers. Let's see calculation mein, sir. 5 sevens, 5 eights, 3 से 3, 3 से 10, और तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता सर. 640 by 21. 21 threes are 640. Sorry, 30s are 630, sir. So 10 by 21 is 0.5 almost. So ये तो 30.5 आ रहा है सर. That is nowhere close to 37.5. So assertion is wrong, sir. Assertion is wrong. We do not need 37.5 workers because we have increased the time work hours. Na? We don't need that many workers. We can deal with only 30.5 workers only. We can already deal with these many workers. उतने में ही काम चल जाएगा. So assertion is wrong. Now assertion if wrong, now options क्या हो सकता है? Option A cannot be the answer. Assertion cannot be true. अच्छा, both are true, ये भी नहीं हो सकता. अच्छा, both assertion and reason are true, नहीं, ये भी नहीं हो सकता. And अच्छा, then option D has to be the answer. I don't even need to check the reason. I don't even need to check the reason, sir. I don't even, sir, assertion is false, reason is true. That has to be the answer. Because assertion, once I found that is wrong, so 1, 2, 3, all are saying assertion is true. तो वही तो गलत हो गया. So only possible answer is D. I don't even need to check the reason. Right? Clear, sir? Chalo, next one, sir. Chalo. So data sufficiency. Acha. Data sufficiency, the best way I told you guys. You don't need to solve. You do not need to solve. एक second, sir. You do not need to solve. That's the beauty of this. Solve करना नहीं होता. क्या करना होता है? You just need to understand whether this question can be answered. What's the answer to that question? Again, nobody is asking you that. And again, we are not going to figure out that as well. Like we are only interested whether this question can be answered yes or no. What will be that answer? Goli maro. We are not interested. Let's see. Profit पूछा है sir. I want what is the percentage profit. First statement. The article was marked up by this much, discount of this much. So everything is in rupees. ये कभी नहीं होगा sir. Why? Why? Again, a little bit of experience will always help in these situations. You see, if you take the CP is X rupees, na? Sir, again, you see, you will end up 0 equal to 0 equation. Why? Sir, marked up by this. So MP will be X plus 800. Discount is 392. SP is minus 392. You see, you end up getting X plus 408. Automatically, you'll say, "Arey, ye to, this is already given 408 rupees profit." But again, any data about X, can you figure out? Automatically, whatever we are getting, that is even given. That is only given. So this statement is actually bogus. कुछ नहीं हो सकता इसका. कुछ नहीं हो सकता sir. So option statement one can never be true. Let's check this second one. अच्छा sir, markup is 60%. It can give us कुछ answer because percentage is there. Some comparison tool we have. Sir, 100 rupees. So MP becomes 160 rupees. Discount is 14%. So into sir. So SP will become sir 86 by 100 sir. Right? Again, I'll not calculate. This is SP. Sir, this is your SP and this is your CP. Can you figure out profit? The answer is a big yes. Because CP I know, SP I know, I can figure out profit. Now what that profit is, again, I'm not bothered. So answer will be statement 2 is absolutely sufficient. Statement 2 alone is sufficient where statement 1 is not sufficient. Option B will be the correct answer. Option B here will be your correct answer. Done, sir? Done? Absolutely done. Good evening, Indian brother, sister, I don't know. Please tell me your name. ABC started a business by investing in this ratio. This is the ratio of their investment. 6 months A left और कुछ B चला गया, ये चला गया, चलो ठीक है. Let's make our PSR, profit sharing ratio. 9, 16, 12. Right? अच्छा. 6 months A left. अच्छा, total duration of the business end of 1 year, meaning 12 months का business. So A was there for 6 months. चलो. अच्छा, B was there for how many months? And B after 3 more months, B left, meaning B was there for 9 months. And C was there for the whole duration, meaning 12 months. This is your profit sharing ratio. Calculate करते हैं sir. So 3 से 9 से कर देते हैं. 9, this is 4, this is 4. 2 से 3, 2 से 8, 2 से 2. So ratio is 3 ratio 8 ratio 8. This is the profit sharing ratio. They have told you B's profit is this. 8 parts is equal to 1440. The difference between A and C. The difference between 8 and 5 parts. Sir, 1440 represents 8. I need 5. That's your answer. So, कर लो calculation. 8, 18 ना? 180 into 5, 900. है क्या option में? Option number C is the answer. Option number C is most definitely your correct answer. खत्म sir, खत्म. है नहीं कुछ. Sir, again sir, mixture allegation. P and Q containers. They have given you this in what ratio? Sir, 50% meaning sir 1:1. Sir, allegation लगा दो by using like either the like liquid P or liquid Q, whichever. I'll take liquid P. Sir, in the first container, it is 9 out of 20 parts. Second container, 13 out of 13 plus 5, 18 parts. And finally, sir, 1:1 means 1 by 2 parts, half. Now again, many people like to use the allegation here only. And many people, they kind of multiply with the LCM to get the good value. So whichever you prefer, मैं ऐसे ही कर देता हूँ. So this is 10 by 20. So it is 1 by 20. And this is 9 by 18. So this is 4 by 18. So like multiply. So it is 20 into 4, sir, 80 ratio 18. 9, 40. 40 ratio 9 is the answer, option number A. Now, if you are one of them, कि सर नहीं चलो थोड़ा multiply कर लेते, so 90 is the LCM, sorry 180 is the LCM, 180 से multiply भी कर सकते. If you want, you can multiply with 180 as well. So it will be a good integers calculation. You can do that. You can do that as well. It's up to, it's absolutely on personal choice. I'm saying you don't have to do it. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. जो आपको अच्छा लगे. If you're comfortable there, do it. अच्छा, again, time and work. KL, अच्छा sir, pair wise given. Sir, K plus L, 36. So efficiency ratio is 1 by 36. L plus M, 1 by 48. And sir, M plus K, it is 1 by 72. Sir, I told you, you can take this, so 144 से multiply कर दो. That's LCM. And again, the shortcut is यही सा total work होता है. That LCM method only. Sir, if you do this, 36 fours are this. And 48 fours are threes are this, right? And so this is twos are this. Meaning K plus L can do 4 units, they can do 3, they can do 2. Now all three work together, so twice K, you see K here, here, M here, here, L here and here. So twice of K plus L plus M, they can do 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 3 times 3, 9. So their efficiency, K plus L plus M, all three working together, efficiency is 9 by 2. Total work 144, every day they are doing this much. So time taken, the time taken, sir, by 9, by 2 means into 2. This is 16. 16 twos are 32 days, option number C. Option number C is most definitely your correct answer. हो गया काम. Next one, sir. Piyush donated every year 12% of his annual salary into a charity. If the annual salary is, sir, इसका 12% निकालो. अच्छा सर अच्छा एक काम करोगे थोड़ा, लेट्स नॉट डू इट लाइक दिस, कैलकुलेशन को बढ़ा के कोई फायदा नहीं. सर 10%, 12% मीन्स 10% एंड 2%. देखो सर 10% is 229510 gone, sir. 1% means another zero gone, sir. 2295. So 2% is again into 2. 22, it is 4400. 95 twos are 190. So 4590, sir. 4590. So this is 40. And sir, this is 6540. 540 se ending, sir. 540, option D, sir. Option D is the answer, sir. Option like D is the correct answer. You see, I'm doing only this, like whatever I need to do. Bare minimum. So replacement. You see, I've just seen this word and I told you replacement. 240 liters of liquid A, 60 liters taken out and replaced with B. Okay. Acha, the process is repeated once more, twice total. You can use a formula, you can go by ratio, whichever you prefer. चलो formula लगा देते हैं sir. 240 liter था sir, into 1 minus like the new amount after this 60 liters out of 240 liters. This has been done twice. This is the new like volume of liquid A. This is 1/4. 240. This is 3 by 4. So 9 by 16, sir. 16, 15s are this, na? 160 and 80, हाँ, sir. 15 into 9 is 135 liters. And in replacement, one thing is always constant. That is the total volume. So total 240 liter will remain 240 liters. So now what happened? So now the situation after doing this, after repeating or after doing two replacements, I have 135 liters of A. So the 240 minus 140, 135, the remaining part is liquid B, sir. Because total must be 240. Total must always be constant. Now what happened? Some liters of liquid A are added so that the resultant mixture contains 70% of A. Achha, I don't know how much. So this is X. Now they are asking what is the quantity of this. Now this is another question, it's by itself. This is another question by itself. You can do this in multiple ways. Correct? देख लेते हैं सर, देख लेते हैं सर. Sir, like B is constant na sir? B is constant too. So in the initially before this addition, B was 105 liters. Now in the new mixture is 240 liters plus X liters I've added. अभी उसमें 70% is liquid A. So liquid B is 30%. That means 3/10. So but B is unchanged. So whatever is initial B, that is final B. Calculate kar lo sir. 335 at this. So X is 350 minus 240, that is 110. 110 liters. Option A is the answer. Again, this part can also be done through alligation by ratio. Multiple methods are there for the last part. Okay. Acha. Statement wala question. There exist, first statement, two distinct numbers. Two distinct irrational numbers whose sum is a rational number. बिल्कुल है sir. 3 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2. Any complementary pair you add, sir, it is 6 rational number. These two were irrational numbers. Correct? So absolutely this is true. The product of second one, non-zero rational numbers. One rational and an irrational number is always irrational. Yes, sir, absolutely. Sir, any rational number 2 into any irrational number root 3, product is always a irrational number. 100%. 1 and 2 true hai, sir. 3. Every non-zero rational number has a terminating decimal expansion. No, sir. Because, sir, let's see. A non-zero rational number, let's take 1 by 3. So this is 0.33333. It will continue. It is not terminating. It is non-terminating but repeating decimal. Not terminating or non-terminating decimals are of two types. Non-terminating repeating, non-terminating non-repeating. Irrational are those non-terminating non-repeating. This is non-terminating but repeating. So it will count as a rational number, but again it is not terminating. So this is where it is, this statement 3 is failing. So 1 and 2 truth, statement 3 false. Option B is. Option B is the answer. Option B most definitely is the answer. ये क्या है sir? A number is 25 more than the other number. HCF given. अच्छा, LCM is also given. इक्वेशन बना लो और ऑप्शन से भी चेक कर सकते हो. यू कैन चेक बाय ऑप्शंस एज वेल. 3 का मल्टीपल होगा, बट चलो नॉर्मल कर लेते हैं सर. सर smaller number they are asking, smaller number is x. The bigger number is x plus 25 because it is 25 more. It is equal to 5 into 1020. LCM into HCF equal to the numbers. Equal to the number. Now again, don't do it. Do not please do it, sir. You keep it. अच्छा, ये भी हटा देते. अरे क्या हो गया? Sir, just check with the options. Check with the options, sir. Check with the options. Sir, 90 and this will become, sir. अच्छा, इसको थोड़ा और अच्छा कर ले. इसको ना 102 into 50 कर लेते. But problem is this. 102 into 50, if I do, it will not be plus 25. So both has to be, options are multiples of 5. So both has to be multiples of 5 only. Na? 102 means 2 into 51. 3 into 17. 17 है ना? So one of the numbers must be 85. अच्छा रुक जाओ. 50 is 5 into 10. 85 if I do 60. This can be written as 85 into 60. हाँ सर हो गया. You see x is 60 sir and x plus 25 must be this smaller number, my answer will be 60. Please understand how I thought. Once I got this 17, I was thinking it is a multiple of 17. 17 fives are 85. 17, this is a 51, 17. So option में 17 कहाँ है? 85. So either smaller number will be like we'll have 85 or bigger number. But again, option में तो है. So I like kind of thought on that particular track and I got that. Or otherwise, you put the values like x का check करो. या तो sir check for the multiple concept, वो भी चलेगा. Anything goes. I hope this is clear. I hope this is absolutely clear. Moving on, sir. Sir, calculation. चलो calculation. फिर से दे दिया एक और एक दे दिया सर. चलो अच्छा मैं एक करता हूँ, ठीक है. Statement 1 I'll check. Statement 2 I'll give you guys as homework. Arushi, no worries. Acha, the values of P, Q, R, S, T, U, these are these like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. चलो करते हैं. Ashish, P and Q. So P is this, Q is this. 21 and 2020 are less than the income of Ashish. Acha, in 2020, rupees are less than income of Ashish. Ashish is rupees S. R is this. So 1500 less than the income of Ashish. It is equal to S. S is what, sir? R के बाद S is 18,500. So Ashish ka income is 220,000. Correct? Now, T more than the income of Vinod. Vinod plus T. T is what, sir? T is 2,500, right? ST, yes. That is equal to 25,000. So Vinod is 22,500. Correct? That much we got. So these values I have taken. Now they are saying their value, these have been increased. P percent is what? 10% in 2021. So this has become 22,000. And this has become how much? Q percent. Q percent is 20%. So this is into 20%, meaning 1 by 5, right? 225 00 into 1 by 5. Sir, 5 se kar lo. 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are this, 00, sir. So this is 4,500 increment. So this is 27,000, sir. Correct? They are asking the average is 24, 22 and 27. It is 49. The average is definitely 24,500. Yes, it is working. So statement 1 is true. Now similarly, please check the statement 2 as well. Statement 2 भी check कर लेना sir. Okay, just check the statement 2. That way you can also get the answer. Just the second bit. ये same question है. ठीक है? I don't know. चलो let's gamble a bit. Last option में क्या था? Both था ना? इधर statement 1 हो गया. Neither. इधर भी both ही करते हैं. या only one. नहीं गलत हो गया. Both. इधर भी both. So second statement will also be correct. ठीक है? चलो. अच्छा, last couple of questions. चलो जल्दी से बनाते हैं. अच्छा, compounded biannually. Biannually means once every 2 years. Okay? Once every 2 years called biannually. बहुत लोग, many people get this confused with half yearly. Don't be that person. Biannually means once every 2 years. अच्छा, so क्या change होगा sir? So 4 years में how many compoundings? There will be 2 compoundings, right? We will have 2 compoundings in 4 years. 10% per annum. Every year 10%. So every compounding we will have 20%. And 20% each, 2 compoundings. So again, use AB theorem and by now you should know the value. It will be 44%. 20 plus 20 plus 20 square by 100. Right? So what will be the answer? They are asking only compound interest. Interest. So 2,000 rupees into 44%. Sir, it is 880 rupees. Option number D, sir. Option number D, sir. Very, 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 very simple. It was a very simple question. Just the term. Last question of the day. Last question of the day, sir. ठीक है चलो average salary of 40 employees given, 18 employees gone, salary increased by this. Sir, ये तो values are very good. You can use the deviation concept, but normally हो जाएगा. अच्छा एक काम करोगे सर, zeros है ना सर, zeros को हटा दो. Because option में भी last में zeros है. I'm just getting rid of all the 3 zeros. 3 zeros मैंने हटा दिया पूरा question से. 40 employees, 31. Total is 40 into 31 minus 18 employees left. 80 employees left means I have 22 employees now. Salary increased by 90 rupees. So 31 rupees was the average. Now 90 rupees is, sorry, 9 rupees. 3 zeros are gone. Na? So 9 rupee increment means this is now 40 rupees. खत्म. So देखो calculation क्यों मैंने बोला 40 is common, 31 minus 22, it is 9 sir. So 360 rupees. Salary of the 18 employees will be 360, then 000. Acha, that is total. 360, 000. That was the salary for 18. So 18, this is 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the salary of every employee, average monthly salary. That is 20,000, which is option number C, sir. Which is option number C. Which is option number C. And that concludes the solution for this week's live mock. I hope everybody have understood the things. I have tried to give you as much as possible to like chota mota jitna bhi hai, and definitely all the very best for your examination. I hope you guys will do wonders. You guys will give your best. Okay. And any way I can help you further, please don't hesitate to ask. Use the comment section or Telegram or LinkedIn. Anywhere you can reach out to me. Please feel free to do so. Okay, so thank you so much again for kind of joining. I will again see you guys in for the next upcoming exams. This was the last class for the tier 1 IB, like this for this IB like live mock analysis sessions, because next week is exam. No point for the mocks, right? So thank you so much, and definitely in 15 minutes time from 6:15 I'll be back with a very concise 10-15 minute session of how to attempt the paper. The session is focused mainly towards CGL candidates, but again, the same strategy you can follow for your IB exams as well. So if you want, definitely feel free to join the session. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.